And do you want to discuss any topic? Do you have any topic in your mind?
Yes, why not? So, what a hobby or activity do you enjoy in your free time?
In your free time, actually,
आज हम सीखेंगे कि इंग्लिश में इन, ऑन और एट कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है।
tell me one thing. Do you have this type of issue? Like you really want to speak English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You have a lots of ideas in your mind, but you are not capable to express those ideas in English. What is the main reason behind your problem? The main reason is lack of practice. I know there are so many people they are facing this type of issue like you are facing right now. Like, ma'am, I have not an environment in English, so that's why I have not practiced in English. Yes, I really want to speak in English fluently, but because of lack of practice, I am not capable to express my ideas in English. So don't worry friends. In this video, I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application, you can easily improve your English fluency. Okay, and this is free and cost application. Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Jeeta, and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily improve your English fluency. You can easily do practice in English. I know you have no one with whom you can easily practice in English. I know. So this application will, become your, partner in English, your English speaking partner. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay, friends. So let's get into the topic. So just I'm going to share with you application name. So application name is Peer Up. Advice, like this is free and cost application, and second thing is this is not a sponsored video. This is only my recommendation because I really want to improve your English fluency. Okay, second thing is that you can use this application unlimited time. I mean to say there is no any time boundary. You can use and you feel free while speaking in English with this application because there is no one who can judge you, who can mock on your English. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the topic. Okay, so for this what you need to do, you need to just take any Android phone and your internet access, that's it. Believe me, that's it. You don't need to give money for purchasing or downloading this application. This is free and cost application. Now go to the Play Store and write Peer Up. Actually, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application in front of you and you can see the logo. So see, okay. So yes, this is the main home page and it is updated. Okay. Now, and there is a feature like talk to AI person, and yes, you touch this and yes, these are some real person. And if you really want to talk with AI person, so for this you need to give some money. I mean to say you need to buy a membership, but you don't do that. Okay, you just need to start your English speaking journey with this talk to real person. So start now. I'm going to touch this start now. It will ask some question like which type of gender, male, female, English level or profession. So now I'm going to touch any, koi bhi chalega. I just want to improve my English fluency. So that's why I'm going to touch start searching.
Hi,
Hi, your name is Sana?
my name is Sanaullah.
Sanaullah. Okay. So how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm also doing well and thank you for asking. So Sana, are you a student or working professional?
Mm, So Rita, don't say Sana. Sana is a girl name, and if you say that's Allah's at the ending, so you make up.
Okay,
I
okay.
make up a boy, Sanaullah.
No, I understand. Sanaullah, okay. You feel like you are a girl. Okay, sorry. Okay, so
Some people say that I find a girlfriend. He's take the name Sana, but when I meet him, so you become a Sanaullah. So this is the
Sanaullah.
name of
Oh,
Sana.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sanaullah. Are you a student or working professional?
I'm a student now. You know about chemistry. I'm the chemistry student.
Yeah, why not? Because I am a teacher, so that's why I know very well.
So what is your major subject you teach in?
My actually I'm a basic teacher, so my subject English, but I teach only 6 to 8 class. But first to fifth class I teach all the subjects.
Oh, nice. So you're the teacher of English.
Yeah, yeah, I'm teacher.
So that's why you are speaking well.
Actually, I'm using this application for improving my English fluency.
Nice. So your talking is very well. I think you are better.
Oh, gradually I'm using whenever I get some time. So I use this application, and I just want to ask you a question. How long have you been using this application?
I think I just 5 days I use this application, but not much more.
Not much more. Okay, so yes, this is the same with me. Actually, I'm not so much confident with this application whenever I get some time. So I generally use because I don't want to, miss my conversation. I don't want to forget all the things that I have learned earlier. And initially time I was facing different kind of problem. So I don't want to forget all the things. So that's why.
Nice. So what is your qualifications? You already do the teaching, so
Yeah, I have my, dual degree like BTC and BEd in education line. Also,
yes,
I
I
have
agree.
master degree.
So what is your major subject you got the master degree?
My major subject is English. Yeah.
English. So that's why you teach English.
No, that's why actually I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, and when I was child, so I was thinking like this. My whole friends were going in convent in school, and in talking they generally used to some some English words, some slow little sentence in English, but I can't. So I felt embracing. I felt inferiority complex in my childhood, and after completing my study and I got job, and when I saw my all the students were in the same stage, and I got something, so I thought, okay, why not learn this language, because I have a lots of time. And when I got Android phone, so yes, I started learning this language by using listening different kind of content in English in YouTube, watching different movies and series, and slowly I started learning this language. And I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I can say I can easily deliver my thoughts in English in front of the public. So yes, actually I have not get environment in English, but I really want to improve. And still I am teaching our students. All the students come from rural families, so they also have not any environment. So I thought, if I can learn this language, so my students can also speak in English. So yes, there is two goal for learning this language. I want to improve my English fluency and along with my students.
So you are now doing a job in private sectors or a government employee?
Yeah, I am a government teacher, and I teach a student who come from rural families, like laborer, like farmers. So they have not an environment in English.
Yes, I
Yeah, because I was
so that's
facing
what
this type of problem in my childhood, so I don't want to face them these types of problem that so just that's why I'm learning this language, and I'm using this platform.
nice. So keep it up. because you are helping with the students to keep it up.
Yeah, this is my goal. And now let's talk about yourself. What do you want to do in your future time? What is your goal? Why are you learning this? Why are you using this application? I mean to say, your English is good.
Because I'm learning the English. You know about English is a local international language. Everyone speaking it, everyone understood it. So my future plan after graduation, I wanna go abroad for further education like master. So like especially in European countries like UK, USA, because I have already my friend here, so I will contact with him, and he said there's do the graduation, and after the graduation he came here.
Wow,
So
that's
that's
great.
why that is my future plans and all about of me. So that's why I learn English because
English is very important. Yeah.
English is important here. So that's why.
That's why, yeah. So yeah, I know nowadays English is very important. When I was learning, when I was studying, so that time it is very difficult to learn this language, to speak in English, because I don't know what is your atmosphere, what is your background, but if I say myself, so I am living in a very conservative family, and my atmosphere was not good for English, and everyone who surrounded me always speak in native language, regional language. I'm not saying native language, regional language. So yes, it was very difficult for me learning this language. So but nowadays, we have a lots of resources, we have a lots of thing, and yes, we have Android phone, and with the help of this we can easily learn any skill. I'm not saying only English, okay, any skill. Because nowadays information is everywhere. It's up to you, what do you want to learn. So yes, so that's why
Yes,
I'm
yes,
learning.
yes. You're right. So, when I am in a college, so I am speaking some word in English, so my friends laughing on me. So that's why I think a line these platform are very helpful for improve or enhance the English.
Yeah.
So that's why when old days or a few years ago, do not the people remind this type of application and know about this application. So that's why do not speak or enhance the English. So I think nowadays it's a very good application come here then you speaking on him then meet with people. So I think that's help to improve my English and also all of the people when this application. So I think it's a good opportunity for our people.
Yeah, that's great. And yes, it's true, it's a good opportunity. If you want to learn this language, then yes, this application is very useful. Okay. And yeah, now let's talk about, and do you want to discuss any topic? Do you have any topic in your mind?
Yes, why not? So what a hobby or activity do you enjoy in your free time?
In your free time, actually, I have, I said you earlier that I am a teacher, and I don't get free time, and whenever I get free time, so I want to learn new skill. So this is my hobby, actually, my hobby related to my profession. I want to learn new skill, and 1 year ago I started learning how to drive a car. And after 5 months, when I was perfect in driving car, so then I took this thing like how to speak in English fluently. So yes, I am a kind of a person that who is always try to learn different things. And yes, whenever I get free time, so I generally use these types of thing, new skill learning, learning new skill. It's my hobby.
That's a great idea. And that's a great idea. I learned from this thing from you because I also want to something to do new learning and that type of thing. So that's a great idea.
And I realize that when we learn new skill, so yes, we feel happy, we feel very excited, because when we generally do work, I mean to say my duty, my household chores. So yes, these are some familiar work when we generally used to do day by day. But when we start to learn
When,
new
when you,
skill, yeah,
hmm?
when we start to
So when
learn.
you have a free time, so I think when you have a free time, so you do nothing. so you feel upset, like that
upset,
type of thing.
and yeah,
You
when you feel
yes,
free, so you feel only negative thing, and when you catch one negative thing, so there is a chain, there is a chain with lots of negative thing, they generally come to you one by one. So I thought, I realized that it's not good for free. Okay, when we feel free, so why not learn new skill, why not try new thing. So yes, this is my hobby. I can say hobby. It's my hobby.
yes, it's a good idea. I also to change and these type of thinking to learn a new thing. So that's you are a teacher of me, like this type of thinking when you say that. So my hobby and when I am a free time, so I do the crickets. You know about the cricket?
Yeah, why not? A very famous game, cricket.
So when I am free, so I generally I do the cricket. So I change this behavior to do learn something new.
New skill, because new when we learn new skills, so our stress level going to decrease, and we have achieve excitement, because we second day we feel okay, I have to do this thing, I have to learn this new skill. Every day we feel happy, we feel okay, this day I want to learn this thing. Okay, so yes, I feel very excited when I try to learn new skill.
Mm. And if you learn a new thing, so some people say that's what type of their thing, and you have a knowledge, so you do the answer. So
Yeah,
the person
actually,
feel
yeah,
very excitement like that.
I'm not a extrovert people. I'm not a extrovert person. I can say I am little more. I can say I am an introvert person. I generally don't want to interact with other person. I don't want to receive their advice. I know, because people, they generally, they don't want to see you happy. They always want to see you sad, and they will ask him, क्या हो गया, कोई problem है क्या? I don't want to give them any opportunity. Your voice is not clear actually. Uh, your voice is not clear. There is some problem, I think. So okay, so this was nice conversation with you, Sanaullah. Now I'm going to leave this application, because yes, your voice is not clear, and yes, next
Now
time
is
you.
better.
Eh?
Now is better.
Now, yeah, it is better. It is better.
So thank you for giving a time, and nice to meet you. Your talking is very friendly, and thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yes, after doing conversation, you should give your feedback, and I give 100%, and yes, it will give you your feedback, like yes, this is and I feel very happy when I achieve this thing. Okay, and yes, in this way you can easily improve your English, and there is also a feature like talk to with AI person. You can see this, and now I'm going to show you how to use this thing, like start exercise. Miss Maya has created exercise to help you improve. So start exercise.
हेलो, आज हम सीखेंगे कि इंग्लिश में इन, ऑन और एट कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। ये तीनों ही लोकेशन या टाइम के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, पर सबका कॉन्टेक्स्ट अलग होता है। इनका इस्तेमाल तब किया जाता है जब कोई चीज किसी एरिया के अंदर हो, जैसे मैं रूम में हूँ, या फिर जब हम टाइम की बात कर रहे हों जो थोड़े जनरल सेंस में हो, जैसे मैं सुबह के समय उठता हूँ। चलो थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। इस प्रैक्टिस का रूल सिंपल है, मैं आपको हिंदी में सेंटेंसेस दूंगी और आपको उन्हें इंग्लिश में बोलना है। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। दूध फ्रिज में है।
Milk is in the fridge.
The milk is in the fridge.
Yes, in this way you can easily improve your English fluency. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.